How to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Using WhatsApp web, you are not able to add a new contacts. What you have to do is add an extension. For that, open a new tab, then navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on this website, at the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there, search for the extension InTouch. After extension appears, click on that. InTouch app, phone, contacts and data saver. Now click on the option of Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once this extension has been added to the Chrome, now head towards your WhatsApp tab. Now click on this Reload this page icon given at the top. Once you reload the page for your WhatsApp, you will be good to go. You will find this plus icon at the left corner. Clicking on that, you will be able to add a contact, but you will need to sign in to the InTouch app account. So this is how you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp web. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.